In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook page to Business Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure the right people have access. Before we start, a quick note on requirements. You must be an admin of the Facebook page you're adding and an admin of the Business Manager you're adding it to. Also, the page cannot already be owned by another business manager. If it is, you won't be able to transfer ownership. You'll need to request access instead. Let's begin. Open a browser and go to business.facebook.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon labeled Settings. Click that to open Business Settings. This is where you manage all your assets, including pages, ad accounts, and people. Inside Business Settings, find the Account section in the left sidebar and click it to expand the options. Select Pages. You'll see a list of pages currently connected to your Business Manager. If this is your first time, the list might be empty, and that's completely fine. Now click the Add button. You'll be prompted to choose between two paths. Choose Add a page if you own and manage the page and want it to be owned by this business manager. Choose Request Access if the page isn't yours but you need permission to work on it. Add a page transfers ownership to this business manager if you're already a page admin, while Request Access lets you manage without changing ownership. Next, enter the page details. You can type the page name or, for best accuracy, paste the page URL. When the correct page appears in the results, select it. Double check you've chosen the right one, especially if multiple pages have similar names. To finish, click Add Page to confirm. If you meet the requirements, the page will be added immediately and will appear in your Business Manager under Pages. If you don't have the necessary admin role, you'll see an error or be prompted to request access instead. After adding the page, assign people so your team can work. Click the page in the list to open its details, then select Assign People. Choose the team members who need access and grant the appropriate permissions. If they need full management capabilities, give full control. Otherwise, select only what they require. That's it. You've opened Business Manager, navigated to pages, added or requested access to a page, and assigned the right people. If something doesn't appear, refresh the page or confirm you're in Accounts, then Pages. Thanks for watching and happy managing.